Industrial IoT didn't become smart overnight. It evolved from steam to electricity to automation and now intelligence. This is where Industrial IoT enters the picture. It starts with understanding how Industrial Revolution shaped the modern system and why connectivity defines the current era. Machines no longer work alone, they communicate. At the core lies the Internet of Things, where sensors, devices, and networks turn physical operations into digital data, data that talks, and also data that decides. Industries adopt IIoT because it drives efficiency, predicts failure, and improves safety. But innovation comes with challenges. Security, scale, and integration tests every system. Not all IoT looks the same. This module builds your foundation in how Industrial IoT works, why it matters, and where it is applied. If you're curious on how industries think, connect, and operate in real time, you're in the right place. Let's get started with Introduction to Industrial IoT.